A loud Bissell vacuum can be quite frustrating. But fortunately, there are several possible reasons for this issue, along with some simple troubleshooting steps. The noise could be caused by a dirty brush roll, a dirty filter, a clogged dirt tank, or problems with the hose. To address these issues, start by cleaning the brush roll. Unplug the vacuum, remove the brush roll, and check for any debris, removing it as needed. Next, clean the filters by removing the dirt tank to access the pre-motor filter, washing it with warm running water, and then removing the post-motor filter, tapping it gently on the side of a dustbin to remove debris. Additionally, unclog the dirt tank by emptying it, checking for debris buildup, and removing it as necessary. Finally, inspect the hose for clogs, cracks, or holes, removing any blockages, and repair or replace the hose if it's damaged. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue causing your Bissell vacuum to be so loud.